Network. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN, 12 noon Eastern time on Friday, middle of the trading day, and we got markets in both directions right now. You're looking at the S&Ps negative by about 10 points, trading at 39.17. That's after yesterday climbing to within 1 point of all-time highs on the S&P midday. We've given up the action a bit, currently trading at 39.17. Tech stocks, growth stocks getting hit today with a rising yield. You have the NASDAQ 100 off 1.4% today, trading at 12,854. We're about a solid almost 100 points off of where we were trading at about 11 a.m. The market getting a little bit of a lift in the last hour. You get the Dow up 162 points, 32,530 for the price of the Dow after making a record price print yesterday at 32,641. Now we're looking at yields right now of 1.62% in the 10-year. We get the Russell up 4 points, 23.36. The Russell makes an all-time high of 23.47 earlier. And jumping to commodities, gold off about $4, but charging higher from the lows we had early in the session of under 1,700. Gold trading at 17.17, and we'll jump to notes and bonds. There's your action. Excuse me. We got a print of 131.23 earlier in the day. Putting this thing on a daily, you'll see that's a low print from anywhere we've been in the recent acceleration to lower prices, even with a little bit of a lift of just a few ticks in the 10-year, still sitting with a yield of 1.62%. And we'll jump to the volatility index, the VIX right now, with a 21 handle. The VIX predicated off the S&P. Important to remember when we have the tech stocks accelerating lower, the VIX predicated on the S&P currently with a 21 handle of 21.75. What else we have happening in the market? In terms of inflation, been on everybody's radar. PPI out this morning. Producer prices jumped the most since 2018 and a hint of U.S. inflation. Producer price index for the final demand advanced 2.8% from February 2020. After a 1.7% year-over-year gain in January, the market was looking for basically 2.7%. The PPI rose 0.5% from the month prior, excluding food and energy. The core PPI increased 2.5% from a year earlier. Inflation possibly creeping in with a PPI number a little bit higher than the market was looking at. But nonetheless, we get the markets basically near all-time highs. Tech stocks getting hit 12,842. Stay tuned, folks. Basil Chapman did his program at 8 this morning. We're going to get a replay after that. Steve at live at 1. David